Hello, it's Robert at Supercontrol here. In this video, I'm going to look at split VAT rates in a booking. The Chancellor's reduced VAT for our sector from 20 to 5% for the next 6 months. And this creates a bit of a problem for those of you who are accounting for VAT at the time payments are made, rather than the point that booking, the arrival happens. So in this booking, example booking, we have a simple £1,000 booking and deposit, 25% deposit, which has been paid. And we'll assume that this booking is within the this payment has been made within the 5% VAT period. But you can see here this booking doesn't arrive until May 2021, and the balance isn't due until next March, so after the VAT rate has gone back up to 20%. What we've got, this booking, the VAT settings come from the property financial settings, where I've got it set at 5%. So the VAT at this booking, if I can open the pop-up here, the customer VAT percent, 5% here. But I'm going to want this £750 balance payment to come through at 20%. The only way to do that in Supercontrol is to allocate that balance to an extra and therefore have a split rate. It's a bit of a workaround. I'm not sure how many clients are working in this way, so I'm going to put balance payment at £750 and one of those, and then I'm going to put 20% VAT on that. Now I'm going to have to reduce my booking value to 250, and it's still all showing at the deposit. So now when I save that, I've got the balance here at 750, and it is due still in March 2021, and that is saved in the system at 20% VAT. The deposit, which has come in automatically, is allocated at 5% VAT. It is going to mean having to manually make these changes for bookings. As I say, it would be very complex for us to build a system that has multiple VAT payments against it. So for now, that is the only workaround. But it will let you maintain the same payment dates, same booking values, but give you a split value of VAT within the booking.